Now taking this wall down. Ow! Bloody splinter. Casualties for not wearing gloves, so I've had that for most of the day. And I did that cleaning up. Sweeping up. Can't be bloody fit anyway. Oops. And now for the moment of truth. Does it actually fit? Oh. Better redo that again. Ow! Fuck. Broke my hand. So here goes. Now I've already marked it here where I want to cut it, and it's a matter of now cutting it and getting my finger or my thumb over the end. But I'm probably going to get wet here. Here it comes. The pressure is immense. Movement. Oh my word, that was some pressure. I had these set up. That's rusted there and sticking. Need to sort that out. Anyway, we've got silicone on. Before we get on with it, let's see where we're up to.